Friday the 23rd. You want to see what Friday the 23rd looks like? I'll show you what Friday the 23rd looks like. It looks like that. There's no snow yet. There's no snow yet. They're saying Sunday into Monday or some shit like that. They're saying like, the weekend into the weekday. All right, they're saying like, Sunday, like, Sunday into Monday and Tuesday or whatever. So I'm just showing you guys before the storm. Before the storm. Before the storm, right? I'm showing you guys before the storm. Right? This is before the storm. This is before the storm. Right? So tonight is the 24th. Before the storm. Before the storm. That we're supposed to get all the snow like sometime after midnight and shit like that. Yeah. Yeah. Today is Saturday night, the 24th. I think we're supposed to get it like, Sunday, Monday, maybe Tuesday, depending upon, what goes on. So, I don't know where he's going. No idea where he's going. But yeah, tonight is the 24th. I should take this and put it inside. Yeah, that's fucking heavy. Yeah, but I'll bring it in anyway. But tonight's the 24th, before the storm. See, I have no car here. I have no car. I got into an accident last year, November. I have no car. I have no car.
And yeah, they're even trying to kind of cut down some of those trees so they can free up some of these power lines. And wow, is that a lot of ice? This is worst case scenario. I'd much rather have a foot of snow than what's that? Probably more than a half an inch of ice, which has accreted on those trees, bringing down power lines. Oof. Yeah, it is a rough go. I mean, this is a huge winter storm we're dealing with, stretching from parts of Texas, Southern Plains, all the way through here in Washington, D.C., and even up towards the Northeast and New England. So parts of Boston can see close to 2 feet of snow. We're going to see there's a factor that here in D.C. Welcome back to the Weather Channel. We're all with Paul Goodman. Hey, anytime you have snow, you're going to see people enjoying it. A couple of cross-country skiers. The guy in the foreground, he actually came down that hill and took a little tumble, but he's back up. And they're getting their exercise in. We're seeing people on cross-country skis, and then we've got this couple running by. They are over here. For the snow, hey, be careful. They're on the two-legged, taking their time down that little hill. It's kind of deceiving. It's hard to see with all the snow kind of smooths everything out. But they're going for a run here on the National Mall. I want to quickly show
Boston and Maine. Well, at least someone plowed in here. At least someone plowed in here. I wasn't awake when it happened, but at least somebody plowed in here. I wasn't awake when it happened, but at least somebody plowed in here. I wasn't awake when it happened, but they did it. Oh, somebody plowed in here. Somebody plowed in here. A shitty job, but somebody did it. I don't know who did it. I wasn't awake when it happened. Somebody plowed in here. Somebody plowed in here. I wasn't awake when it happened.